Look at the size of this.
I know! It's huge! On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a black pocket 6 Cinema Pro K6K. Hallelujah! 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 It's Christmas in March, people. Pure Later Santa came bright and early this morning and blessed our office with this sweet little nugget of sauce right here. The all-new Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro with a P. And I'm going to unbox it for all you beautiful people and give you my first impressions of this glorious camera. Hello fine people of YouTube, my name is Matt and welcome back to Viva Media. So here it is, the moment you may or may not have been waiting for. I mean, we sure as shoot have been waiting for this puppy. The all-new Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. Deep breaths, this is an exciting moment. Pro, I forgot to say Pro. This is the Pro. Very different camera. Dang, that's a mouthful. And as the title of this video implies, we're gonna do something completely original and never done before. We're gonna unbox it for you and give you a first impression of the camera with a full review in the coming weeks. So let's shake and bake, let's pitter patter, let's get at her and unbox this baby cakes. Just before we get into it, gotta pay the bills around here, so if you could please hit that like and subscribe button, we would greatly appreciate your generosity. Okay, here we go. Time to unbox this puppy. Let's get to it. Here we have the beautiful Blackmagic. Blackmagic is a camera creator from the heavens, I tell you. Let's open this baby up. I got my trusty dusty, handy dandy knife. I've got my parental supervision off camera. We're gonna unbox this sucker. I'm gonna do it like all the other professional unboxers do it. Like that. Put it away, safety first. Let's get this nice and squared up. There we go, you can see it in the overhead view. We got 2 views today. That was clean. Oh, I've been waiting for this moment. This has been sitting on my desk for many a days, waiting to be unboxed. And now we get our moment. Are you ready? Oh. I should open it the other way. Yeah. No. Let's open it up like this. Together, we'll experience it. Oh, as with every Blackmagic camera, we get this nice little welcome card. Tells us how to use it. Download instructions. Cool. We get, oh, stickers. That's new. I don't think they've ever done stickers in the past. That's cool. I'll wrap it. Blackmagic. And then, of course, we get our DaVinci Resolve 16 Studio license. This is super cool because now you have, I think this is like $299 on its own. It's the full version of DaVinci Resolve. If you've never used DaVinci Resolve, it's a very, very powerful software, editing software. Great for color grading, industry standard, well worth it. It's crazy that they offer this for free. And there's the license. I'm not gonna show it because you're gonna steal it. To start, we've got our camera strap. Every Blackmagic camera, I believe every Blackmagic camera comes with a camera strap. Nice and thick. Do I use them? Nope. But it's nice to have. Put that to the side. Check this out. This is the new battery that they're going to use with the Blackmagic cameras. We've gone from a Canon LPE6 battery to a Sony NP-F570. So this should get us better battery life because the Canon LPE6 batteries did not do that well. And we already have a bunch of them. So easily swap outable. And the new battery grip, which goes for how much? $300? No. Oh, because of our Canadian rupees. Either way. You can buy the battery grip separately, which also uses these Sony batteries, and it claims to get you double the battery life of the original Pocket 6K, which I have right here, and we will use for comparison. Let's put that there. Also in the box with our battery, I'll put this right up here. So we get our NP battery, we get a power adapter. And what's very cool is with this power adapter, they include every single country's plug, which is super cool. I will only need this one for the US and Canada. But it's very cool that they've got the UK plug, Europe plug, this one, whatever place that is. We'll take this, I'll put that on. It's nice to have modular power supplies. The moment we've all been waiting for, 6K Pro. Oh, it's big. It's very big actually. Ooh, look at that baby. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, it's heavy.
It's huge.
It's big.
It's gigantic.
Let's put this out of the way. Okay, so this is the Blackmagic Pocket cinema camera 6K Pro. Wow, that's big. Okay, first impression, it feels nicer in the hand than the 6K. Side-by-side comparison, this is the 6K, this is the 6K Pro. Wow, that is probably at least 1.5 inches, 2 inches taller. This feels like a 6K and a half, weight-wise. It feels like a 6K and a half. Wow, but the grip, okay, one thing, grip feels way nicer. This is an actual grippy grip. That's really nice. This feels like a professional camera. And I will say, looking at it this way, look at how much bigger this hump is right here and how much more it sticks out. Wow. So I think that this is the way it is because it has to accommodate those internal NDs, which by the way, it has internal NDs. And it goes, what is it? 2 stops, 4 stops, and 6 stops of ND, all electronically controlled from the back here. You hit this plus and minus button and it will automatically swap those out. Super cool. And it looks like an additional cooling fan down here because it needs some, it's got some extra horsepower. Very cool. And of course, up top, if we look here, we've got a removable plate where you can put in the new optional LCD viewfinder, which is super cool. That can be purchased separately for, I don't know, I think it was like $500, but really, really, really cool. We'll put it on screen. But the real cool features, if we look at the back here, so same resolutions, relatively the same form factor, same button layout. We can see that it looks quite similar to how it was before. Obviously a little bit bigger, a little bit wider, a little bit more weight. But yeah, the key features are the NDs, the new option for the LCD viewfinder, and of course, probably the coolest, most beloved feature is the tilty, swivelly screen. And I will say, that feels solid. That's really solid. And there's some pretty good range on it. Let's set this aside. The range of the LCD is pretty good, and it doesn't feel cheap. I was worried that it was gonna feel cheap and not very nice, but look at that. Some really nice range. Feels really solid. And apparently it's also supposed to be brighter, which I'm very excited about as well. I love that. Oh, that's nice. So it'll tilt down, you can get nice high up shots and still see your screen, and you can get super low, just like that, and you can still see it. Let's order another one now. Wow. It does also have dual XLR inputs. Not that that matters to the vast majority of people, especially if you're doing professional work. You're probably recording your audio externally, but nice to have. Really nice to have. Wow, that's beautiful. Blackmagic, you've outdone yourselves again. So here it is, the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. Now the camera OS and internals of this camera versus the old Pocket 6K camera are largely unchanged. Still has the same Super 35 image sensor, color science, recording specs, all that jazz. Where this camera really stands apart are the key features that, for us anyway, made it a no-brainer to upgrade. Things like the tilt screen, the built-in ND filters, the batteries, and a few other quality of life upgrades. Okay, so there you have it. That's a quick overview of the camera and everything you get in the box. Now let's show you a couple quick B-roll shots using various lenses, lighting setups, and video resolutions. Roll clip. So that's a quick overview and unboxing of the all-new Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. Obviously, we'll report back with a full review and thoughts about this camera in the coming weeks as we take it out on shoots and use it here at the office. But I have to be honest, initial thoughts are probably most certainly I'm gonna have to buy another one. It's been decided. So make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Please give this video a big old thumbs up and drop us a comment down below. What do you think of this camera? If you have the old 6K, are you gonna upgrade to the Pro? What camera do you use? Leave it in the comments. Let's have a little conversation down there. Mano a mano, filmmaker to filmmaker, professional to professional. As always, my name is Matt. We are Viva Media, and we will see you in the next video. I got some things to do. I gotta go buy another one of these cameras. Bye.